Outside edge found. And that will race away for 4. So first runs for the Sharks.
Just one slip out there. He gets very low in his stance. And comfortably, the third fielder was really wide. And it is being moved now much finer.
Wicketkeeper quite confident with the appeal. But he didn't quite get the support from the bowler and the other fielders. But as captain, he has the chance of reviewing this decision by the umpire. Isaiah Thorne. That's a classy stroke through that cover region. All he did was check, drove this delivery on the upper bit.
Benkenstein starting from where he left. He made 33 of 25 in the last game. Just look at that, pure timing. High elbow, excellent head position, stable base. Everything right about that shot.
And again, this is fine batting by Benkenstein. Does quite well.
Saithon erring on the fuller side this time. Too full. And again, just the pure timing.
Nice simple technique from the young man with a stable base. Much better length. But this pitch is so good, you can hit through the line, as we saw on that occasion. Pressure being placed on Isaiah Thorne.
And the open stance for him allows him to play on both sides of the pitch. Little bit shorter in length, he knew exactly where the gap was. Played it to the left of the mid-on fielder. Big over. 12 already of 5.
After 2, 16 without loss. Gone for the big shot. Falls short of Isaiah Thorne. Maybe a misjudgment on his part. It stayed a long time in the air.
The fielding has not been the best. And this is what field setting can do to a batter. The captain was frustrated. He went for the shot. And Isaiah Thorne missed it completely. Goes for 4. Frustration for the bowler.
Cleaned him up. Trying to be too innovative and cheeky, Benkenstein. He pays a heavy price.
Why would you do that? You are 22 of 3 overs. You have been hitting it so well, playing with a straight bat. Very strange shot for me. Benkenstein has to walk back for 12. Gwadar Sharks 22 for 1.
Again, sometimes as a batter you make the wrong choices, you pay the price for it. And that was not required at this stage of the innings. Luke Benkenstein will learn from this experience. This is another classy stroke. Jamil just leaning on this one. It was an overpitch delivery. And another lofted shot with a good outcome for the Sharks.
Up and over. And he goes really low in his stance. Something fuller, it's easier to connect.
Worked away onside. Efficient stop. In deep backward square. 11 or 12 dot deliveries. That's 4. Again, length down the leg side. Help yourself if you like.
And that's a poor over from Munib Wasif. With the context of the game, you have had the opposition down. Look at that shot of the length. He has got 2 fielders on the leg side, but it was not a well-directed shot delivery. Shamil Hussain connecting and piercing the gap between deep square and deep fine.
That's a fine stroke. Clipped away, onside. No space on this delivery. He's got a fair bit of experience. Ibrahim, 12 first-class matches with over 500 runs. No wonder he strikes it so well.
Not an easy shot to play. Played it with a very good balance. Ball swinging into him, off his pads.
Sumptuous looking stroke. Sumptuous indeed.
And because of the same balance, good head position, just look at that, it's effortless. Just pure timing down the ground.
That's a beauty. Real beauty from Nazir.
Pays off. The captain has given him the third over in the power play. Rolls his finger. A little change of pace there. Totally deceived Daniel Ibrahim, who was looking really good. Just look at that cutter. Takes the off stump. Brilliant bowling in the power play with the new ball.
That's a boundary. That's more convincing.
Plays the sweep fine and gets a boundary behind square. It's better, that's calculated. You can see that he's thinking about the strokes that he wants to play.
Should come back. That's a good effort there. Slight misfield just gives them that much room to complete the second. Again, one bounce.
Now this is a good shot because the ball is full and he's able to go up and over mid-off. The shot earlier on the over was premeditated, ball not in the place to play that shot, and that's why it didn't work out so well.
Catch it is the call. It's high in the air. That will take some catching. Two coming under it. That's a good effort. I give you 10 out of 10 for the effort. It was a lot of ground to be covered by long on. Power play done. 57 for 2.
Now he's tried desperately to get there. It's unfortunate. What he's done well is he's still got the body behind the ball, so that made sure it did get past him and get into the boundary.